When you win a driver's license restoration case, you have won because you've demonstrated those two key things to the state. Number one, that you've been alcohol-free for a sufficient period of time. And number two, that you have the commitment and ability to remain alcohol-free. To be clear, the state has drawn a line in the sand and said, after multiple DUIs, you're considered risky when it comes to drinking. And the state isn't going to take any more chances. They are never going to consider somebody who says, it was a different time in my life. I don't drink like I used to. I don't drink that much anymore. I only drink on special occasions, or only at home, or only when somebody else is driving. Their take on it is, listen, you have demonstrated that when it comes to alcohol, you are a risk, and a risk to the public as well. Therefore, when we pull a license, revoke a license, after you've racked up multiple DUIs, the only way you're going to get it back is when you can prove to us that you have given up drinking for good, because we know one thing for sure: people who don't drink are precisely zero risk to drink and drive again. So that's the line in the sand. And if a person shows up and so much as even hints that they think they can ever drink again, the state will say no on the license appeal, keep taking the bus or hitching rides or whatever. So it is a necessary precondition to winning a license appeal, and therefore operating with an ignition interlock unit in your car, that you have given up alcohol for good and forever.